everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. We have this lovely lady here with a very, very thick nail. So I want you guys to tell me, what do you think is going on with this toenail here, and what would you do? And what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to cut it and clean it, and I'm going to do a PCR and culture. Why do you think this is going on? It's quite soft when you cut it. It could be fungus itself. So if it isn't the thing that we think it is, then we can just cut it back. Just a little bit tickly. You've got a little tiny kind of nits there, so we'll just that in a minute. And that's one little bit, I think we had a patch. We can see the color is getting lighter already.
Skin check something.